The Ultimod series has many features designed on board to make integration easier. Today we'll talk about two of those specifically. These are the power good indicator and the enable pin. The example I've shown here is incorporated into the overall solution where the user needs to sequence the outputs. In this case, what we have is two power mods, one set to 5 volts and the second power mod set to 3V3. And as an example, what's required here is that the 5 volt must come up before the 3V3 comes up in the application. So there's a number of different ways that this can be used. The first one is to simply set each to the voltage level and then use the power good indicator, which is the output open collector of an opto-isolator, and use that indication to feed into the enable and disable of the second module. So this would be a hardware implementation. We have the result that when we engage with the AC mains, the 3V3 is held off until the 5 volt has come up and is functioning correctly, and then we use that information to enable the 3V3 accordingly. A second option is much easier but involves timing in the circuit. And what can be done here is, instead of taking the J3 output, we could use the enable input to firstly enable the 5 volts and then enable the 3V3. The flexibility that we provide is so because all of our input and output signals are fully isolated. They're either the input to an opto-isolator or they're the open collector output from an optocoupler, which means that these can be used in any configuration without having to worry about the grounding in your system. For full details of this, please feel free to contact me directly on support@excelsys.com.